Okay, let's go. We have news coming out at 8:30 today. Also, heads up, we have the FOMC statement at 2 o'clock. The Fed meeting at 2 o'clock today. So 8:30 news and then 2 o'clock news today. I'll go over that in a second. But let's go over this. I want to go over a quick video on these V-bottoms. What is the process of looking for these setups on a daily basis on all these markets? We had just a great day yesterday in the market on these V-bottoms and the liquidity grabs and the Momos. Let's go over exactly how to find them and how we can utilize them on a daily basis on finding these setups. So we're going to make this just a real quick video. News comes out here at 8:30. So I sent this out to you yesterday. Gerald sent this out to you. 3 main setups on all markets with the pattern recognition software. So this works on all markets right across the board. All futures, stocks, currency. You can even trade crypto with this pattern recognition software. There's certain patterns that happen daily in the market. We use our dual trend filter to find the trend first. That's 50% of the setup. So we know how to use that. That's if it's green, we're buying. If it's red, we're selling. If it's green, red, or red, green, that's a chop market. You stand aside, look for a failure trade. We all know that, done tons of videos. But let's go over how to find setups in the meantime before that. What's the 3 main setups? The main setup we have is this V-bottom. Now this V-bottom occurs right here. We are in a trade right now on these yellow trigger bars. These yellow trigger entry bars occur. So if we are green or red, you're buying if you're green. So if you're green, we've been green right here. Here's our outer zone. Here's our inner trend filter. So when you get these yellow entry triggers that happen that fire automatically, those are your entries for V-bottom. So we have one here this morning at 4:10, at 6:57, and now we have one here at 8 o'clock that fired in. That's got as high as 2 points so far. So those are our main, what's called V-bottom yellow trigger entries, because what they do is they allow us to find when the market is trying to have a continuation of trend on a retracement. So what happens? So that V-bottom or V-top with the yellow trigger entry, it's got to be with the dual trend filter, period. It's got to be either green or red, no matter what. It can't be red-green or green-red. Our dual trend filter has to agree. It has to agree. Okay, that is the simplicity of the system. If they don't agree, you're going into a trend change or chop market, and that's where traders tend to fail. So the system identifies that for us. All right, so the first one's a V-bottom or V-top yellow trigger entry with dual trend filter color. Okay, so it looks like this. You'll get a nice little V-bottom here, and here's a V-bottom that happened on our other chart. You'll see that yellow trigger bar I just showed you fire off. After the V-bottom, what you're going to look for, and this is where the liquidity grab trader comes into play. The liquidity grab trader comes into play, and these are the best ones to look for if you're looking to let the liquidity grab trader that we're wrapping for all you members. If you're looking for the best time to let the liquidity grab trader go to work for you, it's right after a V-bottom with trend, because you have the trend in place already with the dual trend filter. So what we're looking for a pullback against price where they're grabbing liquidity, here, grabbing liquidity to bring it higher. All right, this is the first pullback. You'll notice that the strategy got long right after the V-bottom on the first pullback, the first distortion of price. The first distortion of price, that means they're trying to buy order blocks below where price is to catch the wrongly positioned traders or counter trend traders, and then bring it back green and start cranking it back up. That's the second order of setup. Liquidity grab should occur right after the V-bottom or top to confirm the push. That's the second one. The third one that will fire, and this happens on our other chart, it forms as a yellow candle automatically, is the Momo 1. The Momo 1 will fire to scale contract from the V bottom or the liquidity grab. So this right here is your three-step process in a move on any given market, on any given day. You'll see a V bottom with the dual trend filter, either upside or downside. You'll see the first liquidity grab confirming they're trying to buy order blocks to push the market like they did yesterday. And then they want to continue the momentum to the upside. Can continue the momentum to the upside from the V bottom, liquidity grab, and Momo. Now, once the third Momo fires, the market could go parabolic, which is climax buying or selling. So once we get a third Momo that comes in, I'll show you on the other chart, that's when the market could go vertical pretty hard, because all the rolling position traders that were short the market and got stopped out, they're usually late to the game on the upside, and they'll push that market higher. So after the third Momo fires, the market go parabolic. The Momos don't reset until the next V bottom. So the next V bottom that comes in, which is the yellow trigger on the other chart that came here, then the Momo starts over. Then you'll go for the first liquidity grab. So LG1, this will confirm that they are trying to buy order blocks below price to push it up. That confirms our V bottom. That'd be LG1, liquidity grab 1. And then your Momo came in here, and that pushes price. All right, so that's the repetitive setup that happens on a daily basis. V bottom, liquidity grab, Momo 1 starts a process. V bottom, liquidity grab, Momo 1. Now, if you look at another chart, it's very simple to see. Very easy to see. Here's the V bottom. V bottom. That's my V bottom. This is where liquidity grab is going to happen. This is where the liquidity grab trader will go long. There's your Momo 1. There's Momo 2. This is where the market likes to go parabolic, which is climax buying. After you see a Momo 3 in a row, remember, after the V bottom, you'll get Momo 1 as the next yellow trigger entry. 1, 2, 3. Market just jumps. V bottom, Momo 1, Momo 2 entry, Momo 3, market just jumps. Now, after the next V bottom, the market will reset, and we'll go back to Momo 1. That's Momo 1. Market retraces, another V bottom entry, Momo 1, Momo 2. You can see no Momo 3 happens. The parabolic move actually started back here. Momo 3, Momo 3. After Momo 3 came up, that was 59.33. The market went vertical to 59.64.5. It just went straight up. So nice little move. But you're going to look for your liquidity grab trades that happen, like I said, in between the V bottom and Momo 1. Okay? So we're wrapping this up. We're wrapping the liquidity grab trader for you. There will be different Renko sizes. I will show you how to use it. If you want to emulate what we have in the room, you can do that. Also, this will go to the members download page. Gerald has all the ingredients to get this thing wrapped now. So we'll let all members know. We'll send out a members post when this liquidity grab trader is ready to go for you guys, and we'll get that out to you. We do have news coming out in about 3 minutes. 3 minutes is our news release. When you trade the liquidity grab trader, you'll want to turn your strategy off. So on my other Ninja Trader, I'm actually going to be turning these strategies off. I'm actually got the markets that I follow are the NASDAQ futures, the ES, the Euro, the Pound, gold, crude oil, the YM, and the RTY.